Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 6th, 2025. I've already solved three puzzles: 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Number 9853. 9853. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Don't know if it's a 4-star Sudoku puzzle, but the publisher has indicated this with a 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a duo box here. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quarter boxes then? See here, quarter box. When you see a quarter box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. And the other number, the number 1, could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? Don't think so. Well, then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip the Z, you will get the S. It's the same shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Only one in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Well, we have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, super, so 2. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. Okay. Next shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. No. This is another shape. Let me draw the shape here. This is another shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then. Let me see. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 2. But also that box can be 2. If I place a 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, so 2. But we already have a 2 there. So, not solution, place a 2 there. The only place left a 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this Z construction for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Then I think. Oh wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Oh wait, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So it can be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there then. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 4 there. The only place left with 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 1. We have a double 1 there, so I cannot place the 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. The 1 is supposed to be here. 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, but also those two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2. And 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be 2. Wait. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And I need a 3 here. Okay. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. Let me go up. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and the 4 goes there. I think this box, wait. 2. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Suppose I place the 4 here. This box should be also, is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is also connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here. So not the solution place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 box left now in this area for number 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 5. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Okay. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. We have the 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Yeah. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 1, 3. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2 should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box give me 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a no. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. And this box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers. Oh well. It's connected with that box, so we should 2 and a 4. Here also 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box, so 4. 1 box left now in this area for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2, we have a 2 now, so this cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3, so the only place left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. And if eliminated here, the 4, so the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars, nope. 3 stars, nope. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.